For some reason, I drove today and found out my brakes ain't squeaking anymore, so I'm kind of surprised of why my brakes aren't squeaking anymore, because I haven't cleaned them, I haven't done anything with them, and I haven't heard any noises. No, braking really hard and no noises at all. When I brake hard or stop at traffic lights, it doesn't make any noises at all. So I wonder what happened. Like, they can't just imaginally just disappear, because it's fucking bullshit. That can't happen. So I don't know. But yeah, just a little update. And yeah, bye.